Now we're going to practice some paper curling. To start with my paper curling, I need to cut some strips of paper. They could be longer, they could be shorter, doesn't matter. To curl paper, all you need to do is apply friction. So I can make a perfectly roundish curl, there we go, by just wrapping it around a pencil and then applying friction by continuing to spin the pencil, or by pressing on the paper, or by rubbing my fingers around the paper. Any way that I can apply friction to this paper will cause the curl to stay. So now I've got a curled piece of paper. This pencil, you'll notice, is round. I could also do it with a pencil like this that has flat sides. And of course, that's going to give it a slightly different look. Apply a little friction there, let go, and then you get, like the little straight lines within your curve if you want your curled paper to look a little more textured. The other way that we curl paper is with scissors. If you've ever curled ribbon, it's exactly the same thing. If you've had a hard time curling ribbon, here's what you do. You're going to open your scissors, don't cut yourself, and put your thumb along the blade. Now, imagine, here's your paper. Imagine that somebody had gotten jelly all over one side of your paper. So you're going to take your scissors and scrape the jelly off. And see how it starts to curl? And the more I scrape the jelly off, the more the paper will curl. Like that. And again, same trick with ribbon. Just imagine that you're scraping jelly off one side. That seems to work pretty well for most people. And then, of course, oops, got one extra little paper there. Of course, we want to attach and label our technique. So I'm going to write number 4, paper curl, and show me both ways. Show me where you did it with a pencil, and show me where you did it with scissors. This really only needs a tiny dot of glue and another tiny dot of glue. Here's my scissor curl. Stick that down. I think I like my textured pencil curl, so I'm going to use that one. Stick that down. And we're ready to go on to the next technique.